Prepare to be amazed by this newly remodeled 3-story home in Mussomeli, Sicily. While the exterior might have a few blemishes, the interior is an absolute treasure. Priced at just €35,000, this property comes with convenient parking right in front. Now, we're not real estate agents, but we're passionate about showcasing affordable homes in our charming town. If you're interested in our life in Mussomeli, visit our website, theamateursabroad.com, and sign up for our newsletter. As a bonus, you'll receive a Start Here guide. Please show your support by liking and following us here. As we step inside, we discover a completely renovated interior, including new floors, refinished walls, fresh paint, and new central heating system. The ground floor is designed for an entertainment with the potential for a bar in that space in the corner. There's plenty of room for a big screen TV and heck, even a pool table if you wanted. This half bath is almost complete. The door frame here and another room upstairs has a door frame missing. You can check with the agent to confirm that those things were completed, but otherwise there's really no renovations needed in this space. This blank slate has so many options for your family and friends to enjoy. Up the marble stairs at the top to the left is a window and a shelf, and you'll see that toward the end of the video. To the right, the first room here could serve as a laundry room area, a gym, or even an office space with a Murphy bed for additional sleeping options. Upstairs, you'll find there's 2 bedrooms, making this space perfect for the 3rd bedroom if needed. Unless you did something on the bottom floor to break up that entertainment area, but it does have the space to add a room if you needed it. This space here for the kitchen. Now, not all Italian homes come with kitchens, and often when people move, they take them with them. The new kitchens are really affordable in Italy. If you check out our playlist for my Mussomeli house, I have 2 kitchens that I put in my home, and I show both of those and also the cost. This long balcony is accessible from the other room as well and provides a lovely outdoor space. The kitchen offers plenty of dining space, and there's room for a stackable or under-the-counter washer-dryer or just washer unit if you didn't want to have it in the previous room and use that room as a bedroom or an office. You can see here the space to the left when we were coming up the stairs, showing the window and the shelf area. I should point out, too, that we did not turn on any lights. It's all been natural lighting touring the home. Now, this top floor, again, has 2 bedrooms. This first one has a balcony, so it would probably be considered the primary, but both offer a real ample space. The view here is to the neighborhood, and to the right, there's another mountain you can see. The street's wider, so it does give you a bit more of an open view. The furniture, I don't think it's included, but you can always ask. You can ask the agent. They haven't lived in the home since renovation, so it may be included, so definitely ask. Okay, so the next bedroom is still large, but it seems like every house in Italy always has to have a random twin bed somewhere, and I'm guessing just large Italian families need that, but it's kind of like a Where's Waldo, like where's the extra twin bed going to pop out at? Again, natural lighting, beautiful, good size room. This bathroom here is spacious, and you'll be pleased to know there's a shower curtain rod. It drives me absolutely nuts when there isn't, and it's just open. I am not coordinated enough to shower without a shower curtain. Also, as a reminder, the half bath is on the first floor. So there's a bathroom on this floor level, and then the bottom floor has the half bath. This hall door is to roof access. I will peek in. Some people want me to show the roofs, but I am not a home inspector and I'm not climbing to a roof. And this is free, so yeah, I'm not going to be climbing up to the roof. You can see there isn't a railing coming up when I'm showing the stairs. It seems to be a design choice. I probably wouldn't have made that choice. I would add a railing so that no one trips and falls, but that's up to you. That would just be my caution. As we wrap up our tour, you can find the agent's contact information in the description, and any updates if the house has been sold or other details can be found on our YouTube channel.